FixAlex, and today guys I'm gonna show you how to remove speaker on this Chrysler Pacifica. This is the tools, 10mm socket, flathead, and something to pull the two covers out. So this is the first cover, 10mm bolt behind it, and this is the second one. There is little spot on top so you can pull it. Now 10mm socket, remove two bolts, 1 and 2. Using flathead or your hands, it's better to use hands. Pull your panel out. Start from the top, it's better. Just like this, gentle. There is clips, just like that. Now remove connector from your window button. I'm gonna show you in a second. This is the connector, the pin on top. Push the pin and pull the connector down, and that's it. Now we're ready to remove the panel. Put it on the side and you're gonna have access to your speaker. Now I'm gonna use Torx 27 to remove the speaker. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and speaker is out. I'm not sure about the size of the speaker. I know it's I think it's 4 ohm 50 watt. Yeah, as you can see, 4 ohm 15 watt, and the size is like this is 6 inches, 6 by, I guess, by 9 size of the speaker, so you can easily upgrade your system, guys, and just put everything back in reverse. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel and comment what else should I record next about this car. Thank you and bye.